Lighting is the detail that finishes a room. And when it's an afterthought, the room never really comes together. Most people spend weeks getting the rest of a room just right, without looking up at the ceiling. If you've poured your heart into every single detail, don't let chunky plastic downlights let the whole look down. With Evofire, you get a cleaner, neater, premium finish that brings a more refined look to any room. The ultra-slim bezel blends into the ceiling rather than cluttering it. Plus, whilst most fire-rated downlights rely on a metal can above the ceiling, Evofire's patented design builds the fire protection right into the front of the fitting, keeping your home safer while letting the lamp run cooler for better, longer performance. Evofire isn't just one fitting, it's a full family. There's a wide range of premium finishes, 6 different size options, and tilt, square, and recessed profiles. So there will always be a version that fits. Effortless to install and built to last. With a 7-year warranty for peace of mind, it's an upgrade homeowners trust. So it's no wonder so many people say they'd never choose anything else. Evofire, better in every way.